Hi, in this video we will install Ollama and run the models in our local system. We will install Ollama using PowerShell. So we can run this command in PowerShell. Ollama will be installed. Currently Ollama is installing. This will take a while, so I will be fast forwarding the video. Ollama installation is done. We will test whether it is installed or not using Ollama command. Ollama is installed successfully. We will try to run any model. We will install Queen 3.5 model in Ollama. We will be installing the default one, which is 9 billion parameter one. It is of 6.6 GB size. I'm installing this in Windows VM, so it will be faster. This VM has 48 GB RAM and 24 GB VRAM, so the things will be a little faster here. We are not even using 1% of CPU and 15% of RAM. Queen 3.5 model is installed successfully. We will test the model with simple prompt. It is providing the response. So model is installed successfully. It is printing all the thinking it is doing. It is analyzing the request, determining the structure. It is drafting. Here it is generating the essay. So the model is successfully installed, and we are able to get the response from the model. Yeah, I think it did a pretty good job on this essay. Like, it provided all the points. Now we will try to run Google's Gemma 3 model. We will run 27 billion parameter model. It is of size 17 GB. As this is running in the VM, we are getting 235 Mbps per second. To download 17 GB model, it's gonna take 2 minutes. Model is installed and it is running. If we check here in the GPU usage, it is using around 17 GB RAM VRAM. We will try to give a simple prompt and we'll check the metrics. We will ask it to write 10k lines of essay on LLM. If we check here, GPU memory usage is same, but the utilization is increased to 94%. The CPU utilization is stable. It is only using around 10% to 15%, and even RAM usage is also not much, it's around 13%. It is still writing. It generated approximately 10k lines of code, and these are the stats. It took 3 minutes to generate 10k lines of words. The GPU utilization is back to 0 and the memory utilization is same because we are still running the model. The CPU is normal, it did not cross 20, and even the memory did not cross 20% utilization.